Hi everybody. In this video I want to introduce to you a specific web application called the Assistant Builder. And this is an application that will help you to build your own assistants like a chatbot. Now you can do that also with GPTs in OpenAI or Claude projects in Anthropic, but then typically you will need a subscription. So here I want to give you a kind of alternative free option that you can use where you also don't need any coding knowledge. So let me show you how you can use this assistant builder with a specific example. So the example that I want to use is the example of building a safety instruction chatbot. So here you see a YouTube video of the company BASF, big chemical company in Germany, who has produced a kind of YouTube video on safety instructions. So what I did is simply to make a transcript of this video, which you can see on the right hand side. And so now what I want to do is to build a chatbot that will allow users to ask about safety instructions at BASF. So let me show you how you can do that with the Assistant Builder. So here you can see the Assistant Builder, and in the YouTube description you will find the link to the actual web application. So the first thing you will need to use this web application is a Croc API key. Now I have a separate video in which I explain how to easily get a Croc API key for free, so you don't have to give credit card information or anything, you just need to have a login, and then you get a free Croc API key that you can enter here. And subsequently the first thing we need to do is to provide instructions, meaning we need to kind of define how the chatbot should behave. That's what we call system instructions. And so here you see the system instruction that I provided for the chatbot. So I'm saying you're a chatbot that can answer questions about safety instructions on the BASF site at Ludwigshafen. The user will ask questions about safety instructions. You should exclusively rely on the uploaded knowledge to provide an answer. Accuracy is crucially important. If the uploaded knowledge does not allow to answer this question, you should respond, I cannot answer this question, based on the available instructions. Subsequently, I've simply copy-pasted my transcript of the video in the knowledge input. So here I just copy-pasted the transcript, and finally I tell the agent that it should provide output in a conversational style. So then we can press Create Assistant, and now it says, okay, Assistant is created successfully, and now we can start asking it questions. So now we could ask, for instance, which number should I call in case of an emergency? And then it says I should call the number 0621601112, which is indeed the number that is mentioned in the transcript. So here it seems to provide an adequate information. Now we also want to check that it would not hallucinate. So now we could say, what is the best place to buy shoes in Ludwigshafen? And of course here we hope that it will not provide an answer. And indeed it's saying, look, I cannot answer this question based on the available instructions. So this is a brief demonstration on how you can start building your own applications with the Assistant Builder, where you don't have to make any costs, you don't need to know any coding. So I hope this can help you to start experimenting with how you can leverage generative AI to automate particular tasks with assistants. Please don't hesitate to share your experiences in the comments. It's always great to hear how you have used this application. And thank you for your attention.